Jessica is driving the train herself. We'll see you in a bit. A lap with Jessica driving. Doing good. No! She's alright, she's doing good. She's doing good. Just don't slam on the brakes. Just glide in, right, off power. Off the power. There we go. Jessica will carry on going around. Yep, probably an update time while Jessica's driving. We went to Rugeley yesterday and then Alton Towers. Alton Towers video will be out tomorrow, I think. So yeah, we had a good weekend, just wrapping it up at the club. So Jessica enjoys driving the trains, getting more confident. So yeah, so we haven't planned anywhere. We're going to back to Alton Towers next Saturday, and then Rachel's away. Rachel and Jessica are away on the Sunday. So yeah. She's driving quite well, actually, better than Rachel. But yeah, and she's only really been on this a little bit. She always used to drive by. Hopefully we'll stop at some point. She broke. She did it. She did it. So yeah. So we shall see you in the week. Bye. Oh yes. You should, if you like my videos, please share, comment, and hit that notification bell. And most of all, subscribe. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye.